I know you wish to be here.
Whoa. Good afternoon, my good people. This is your boy Kenstan Adam coming live from Eldoret, Kenya, East African. Yeah, so just chilled. Me feel to kukula pork. Yeah, to try pork. That is a dry fried pork. So I'm going to visit one of the best pork joint in my neighborhood. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. For the new subscribers, thank you so much. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you may get notified when I upload new videos such like this. So guys, thank you so much for the support. To my returning subscribers, nasema tu asante sana. Thank you for pushing me this far, manze. Yeah, content after content, just vlogging here and there, reviewing hotels, travels. Yeah, it's just my daily vlog. Yeah, for those people who are joining, go check my playlist, adventuring. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, it's a new year 2023. Thank you so much, guys, for the support, manze. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's go, let's roll. So before going to the joint, so this is my neighborhood, the place where I live. It's a cool place, a cool breeze. Yeah, so yeah, let's go. Yeah, so it's just a few meters from my place. Today's on a Sunday. People have closed the business. Yeah, so some people are home, church, wengine wameenda kujibamba. So yeah, it's a cool place. Eldoret, Kenya, East Africa. So guys, I'm here. So this is the place. Feast. So guys, yeah, this is the pork guy. Niaje? Go fine. So unikatie tu kama kawaida. Yeah. So Ebu elezea watu the prices. For me I'm going, it's a budget of 100 bob. So unapata kaugali
30 bob. Kaanga ni 10. Na pork na kupimia 60.
Wow, nice. So let's do it. So guys, this is the place where I come to buy dry fry pork, manze. Wanajienjoy hapa sana. So you may come visit this place, inaitwa Feast Zone. Yeah, Feast Zone pork joint. Yeah. So the guy is doing his thing. Yeah. Yeah, we need to balance the prices. For the new subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Yeah. And by the way, what's your name? Uja tupea jina.
Oh, my name is Rogers.
Rogers
Kembai.
Ah, nice. So you're going to the kitchen. So this is the place where mambo ya kukaanga. Yeah. There we go. So the oil inakuwa kwanza moto, si ndio?
Yeah.
So that you may dip. So yeah, these are the greens that are already prepared, so it will be So easy, which takes few minutes, yeah, for the meal to be ready. So yeah, let's enjoy. So as the oil is heating up, preparing some onions, yeah. Chopping them off. Some tomatoes. As the oil sizzles, so we'll drop in the pork. That continues. We keep on chopping the tomatoes. Yeah. To me. Drop it off, place the pan. Yeah.
Cooking wise.
Tosha. We are waiting for it to heat up so that we add the onions, then tomatoes, some salt. Yeah. So addition of onions. And by the way, how do you ensure that the ugali is hot for client when he or she comes to purchase?
When ugali now is ready, you put in a bag, polythene. You close it well. You have, let's say, for example, hot water, warm. You place it in hot water. Cover it up, and jiko now is burning to keep the water warm, and the ugali here is warm.
Oh, this is in an African way.
For the whole day.
For the whole day. So yeah. Some flambe. Additional salt. I'm already salivating. Then addition of some greens. Yeah. Well covered. Switch off the gas, ready to be served.
While hot.
While hot. Wow.
Is it?
So that's how it's placed.
Now the food is now ready.
Yeah. So yeah,
Food is now ready.
the food is ready.
Wash your hand and have your lunch.
Oh. So this is the service area.
Yeah. For instance.
There we go. And that was all. So I'm going to enjoy it. So guys, I'm already salivating, ready to partake. As you can see. Wow. Yeah. But my hands are clean, so thank you so much. Thank you
Enjoy
you
your
so
lunch.
welcome. So guys, that was all for today. Feast zone, join pork. Yeah, subscribe, like and share.
Huh?
You need to visit this place, guys. Nah,
This is the man.
he's
Cook himself.
He's promoting Odibets.
This is the only account, the genuine.
Odibets. SMS 29680. Odibet.
If you know, you know.
Thank you so much.
I know you wish to be here. Subscribe, like, and share. Toodles.